All new at 5 on this Veterans Day, military men and women coming off of active duty now find themselves looking for a full-time job. And many companies across the country are stepping up to provide them work. Our Jason Beisel shows us tonight one company with Tampa ties doing just that.
If you talk to veterans, they're not looking for a handout. All they want is an opportunity.
Nasheed Salahuddin should know. He served 4 years in the Air Force and is still serving in the National Guard. When he's not on duty, his full-time job is Human Resources Director here at DTCC's Tampa office, a financial services company.
A lot of companies, they don't understand the skills that veterans bring to the table.
But Nasheed says his employer does. It's one of over 120 companies nationwide participating in the 100,000 Jobs mission. Their goal, place more than 100,000 veterans into full-time positions by 2020.
There's nothing better, in my opinion, that a company can do for veterans than to give them an opportunity.
Worldwide, DTCC employs about 2,600 workers, and 6% of that workforce is made up of veterans.
We have found just a great talent pool and the skill sets within a lot of the veterans that we have hired in the past.
Some of those skills include leadership, technical abilities, and the know-how to be able to work as a team.
In terms of teaching the veterans that come on board, we feel that it's a very successful formula because the skill sets are there.
To date, the mission has placed over 92,000 veterans into full-time jobs, putting them on pace to break the 100,000 mark way before 2020.
This is just the starting point.
DTCC plans to hire 150 more workers over the next 2 years.
I don't think there's any better way to honor our servicemen and women.
Jason Beisel, ABC Action News.